Hi, welcome to County Conversations. I'm Commissioner Betsy McClure, and we want to start our show today by showcasing some new programs for the county as well as discussing programs that we offer in our county. First, we have Kathy Cipcic. She is the Director of Veteran Affairs, and she will discuss services that she offers in the Veterans Office, as well as the new Atlas program, and she'll explain to you what that is, and it is slated to be coming very soon.
Good morning. This is Kathy Cipcic from the Greene County VA office. The mission and role of our office is to service all of our veterans here in the county, even their dependents, the spouses, children. And in reference to that, our VA office provides many functions. We verify our veterans' military service because with any of that, that's what we have to do anything for the veterans. We advise the veterans and the dependents on what is out there for them. We work federal, state, local on everything. The veterans can be service-connected for a disability. We provide them with info for health care, also home loans, non-service-connected disabilities, and pensions. And then a pension aid and attendance, which is for our veterans and spouses who are now in homes or being taken care of at their actual home. Education benefits, we deal with that. Burial benefits, DIC, which is specifically for the spouses when a veteran passes. Tax exemption through the state. VTA, which is a Veterans Temporary Assistance through the state. Then we have the paralyzed and blind veterans benefits. Veterans homes here in the state, and then our DAV, Greene County transportation for all of our veterans to go to Pittsburgh or Clarksburg. And there's many other things out there. The communication daily with the veterans, spouses, phone in the office, so it's a busy office, I can tell you that. And then with the new programs coming about, that even, makes it more so. The Veterans Service Office, along with the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs medical centers in Pittsburgh and Clarksburg, we have teamed up to provide veterans with VA care closer to home. Our offices will soon provide a private appointment room for veterans to connect with their VA care team remotely. This is part of an initiative called Atlas, and that is accessing telehealth through local area stations. Atlas sites are in communities where veterans may face challenges in receiving care. This includes unreliable internet connection or long travel times to the nearest VA facility. And this is going to work out for a lot of our veterans in the wintertime. They don't want to take those travels, in the snow. Our office's Atlas site will be equipped with telehealth technology and a high-speed internet connection. Veterans can meet with their VA providers through a VA video connection. VA secures video conference apps. And veterans can visit our office site to receive a wide variety of clinical services that do not require hands-on exams. These services include, but are not limited to, primary care, mental health, and then also other specialties to be announced. These services should be available in our VA office coming up June 2022. More information will be shared as available. Thank you.
Thank you, Kathy. Now we have Commissioner Mike Belding, who's going to be coming up to discuss Together with Veterans, which is a suicide prevention program that he has been working with for the veterans here in Greene County. And he'll be discussing the events that they'll be planning.
Thank you, Betsy, for the introduction. Together with Veterans is a community-based suicide prevention program for rural veterans. Together with Veterans involves partnering with rural veterans and their communities to implement community-based suicide prevention. It's funded by the Veterans Administration Office of Rural Health. And this is a new program in Greene County. Actually, Kathy and Renee in our VA office are on this committee as well, and we have a membership of 10 to 12 individuals, both veterans and those that support veterans, and we're working through the initial stages of standing this organization up, a chapter, if you will, of Together with Veterans. The importance of this is recognized in the statistics that bear out the issue with suicide in veterans. In 2019, the VA released its National Veteran Suicide Prevention Annual Report, and the statistics are pretty stark. The suicide rate for veterans were 1.5 times the rate of non-veteran adults. In the report, established that there were 6,000 or more veteran suicides per year from 2008 to 2017, which are the latest statistics in that published report. Together with Veterans is veteran-driven. Veterans provide permission and work together to implement the program in their community, and veterans provide the leadership and guidance in that Together with Veterans process. It's collaborative. The community partners play a key role in successfully supporting veterans and their families, and they are informed and educated about suicide prevention. Collaboration and education will strengthen the suicide prevention network for veterans, their families, and friends. This program is evidence-based. Together with Veteran strategies are drawn from well-researched models that have been shown to be effective in reducing suicide, and it's centered on the community. Together with Veteran partnerships, develop a unique suicide prevention action plan based on community strengths and addressing community needs. There are 5 phases to fully establish a Together with Veterans program, and Greene County is currently on the 4th phase. The 5 phases consist of building a team, learn about our community, where we go through strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We teach our team. We're planning for action is the 4th step, and currently where we're at as a committee. And then we follow our plan and measure the results through the plan that was established. The Together with Veterans program will be fully unveiled during the Greene County Veterans Expo, which will be held on the 10th of June this summer at the Greene County Fairgrounds. The expo will highlight services available to veterans throughout the county and show appreciation for our veterans' services. We encourage everyone, veterans, families, and friends of veterans, to attend the Veterans Expo. And let me close my comments with an opportunity. So most are probably aware that there's a new Veterans Memorial Park down by the county tennis courts and the museum, and we are currently seeking sponsorship and names for the 5th and 6th granite tablets. The 3rd and 4th tablets will be installed before Memorial Day. So if you have not recognized your veteran or a family member or somebody you know that served and would like to, you can look at the Greene County Veterans Memorial Park Facebook page or gather information for the ordering of those, if you will. And we're encouraged in that so we can get that project closed out with the 5th and 6th granite tablet. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Commissioner Belding. Next up, we have Melissa Ewart. Melissa is employed at Greene County in our mental health department, and she is a hospital and community liaison. She's going to be coming to discuss services that are offered in our mental health department, as well as a suicide prevention program that has been underway here in our county.
Thank you, Commissioner McClure. As she said, my name is Melissa Ewart, and I work for the Human Services Department of Greene County in the Mental Health Program. I serve as the Hospital and Community Liaison. In our office, we assure that anyone who lives in Greene County that needs mental health treatment or support services gets linked with the support that they need. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, so we appreciate the opportunity to join this podcast and talk about mental health services and some of our current projects that we are doing. We have a number of mental health services and providers in Greene County. One we want to highlight today is our Greene County Mental Health Crisis Line. The line is operated by the Center for Community Resources and answers calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Individuals can call the crisis line for whatever situation they may deem a crisis. The staff will never deny what a person's version of a crisis is. The number for the crisis line is 1-800-417-9460. The Center for Community Resources also serves as the central call center for the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. Those calls are answered right here in Greene County as well. The National Suicide Prevention Hotline number is 1-800-273-TALK-8255. This month, we have done significant work for suicide prevention and awareness. We currently have a sign campaign going on. We hope that everyone sees the signs with positive affirmations that we have placed throughout the community. We wanted everyone living in Greene County, or just those passing through, to have a positive message in their day. This month, we will also be placing large banners in the community that state, "If you are looking for a sign to stay alive, this is it." Those large banners also have our county crisis number on them. In statistics that we have received from the coroner's office from 2018 to February 2022, we have had 29 suicide deaths in Greene County. 17 of those involved firearm. We obtained 200 gun locks from the VA in Pittsburgh and distributed them to sporting goods shops in Greene County in effort to combat suicide by firearm. Lastly, in effort to support suicide prevention and awareness in our schools, we have secured grant funding to offer peer-to-peer suicide prevention program in each school. The program is called Hope Squad. It allows students to choose their peers that they see as trustworthy and approachable, and those students will be trained in how to support fellow students who may be having suicidal thoughts. Each program also has district advisors that are trained to support the students as well. This is something that we are looking to launch in each high school in the county at the beginning of the fall. We would like to encourage anyone who has any questions about anything related to mental health to please call our office at 724-852-5276, and we will gladly assist you.
Thank you, Melissa. Next, I'd like to bring up Commissioner Blair Zimmerman, and he's going to go over all the events that will be coming up in this month.
Good morning, Greene County. So let's try to get you out of your rockers and out of your recliners, and we're going to give you a lot of things to do in the month of June. So anyway, starting June 3rd is Riverfest in Rice's Landing. June 4th, we have the Mason-Dixon GNCC, and that is at High Point. June 5th, Sunday Music at Thistlewaite's Vineyards. June 7th, Sewell Airport is having monthly meetings. On June 7th, White Covered Bridge Association will be meeting. June 10th, the Veteran Expo at the Fairgrounds, Greene County Fairgrounds. And also on June 10th is the Second Friday Car Cruise at Thistlewaite's Vineyards. June 11th, Cruise and Car Show at the Greene County Museum. So to have your attention, there's more. June 11th, Pop-Up Tandem Kayaking at Greensboro. June 13th, the John Brodak Memorial Fly-In at Carmichael's. June 18th is the Pennsylvania State Championship at High Point Raceway. June 18th is the NEC Cross Country Racing at Greensboro. And June 18th also has High Point Pro Motocross. It's a really big event. We get thousands of people from all over the country coming to that one. June 18th, Cruising for Veterans in Rice's Landing. June 20th, Ralph Bell Bird Club in Clarksville. And June 25th, Ryerson Festival at the Ryerson State Park. I have to laugh because it's Ryerson, but we all know what happened out there, so it's called Ryerson. And on June 26th, the Corbley Association of the 90th reunion at Gerard's Fort. So I'm exhausted reading this, so I'm hoping that you get out and get to enjoy some of these events. So we want to thank you from Greene County and wish you a great summer. Thank you.